Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. Well, you saw my box arrived. It is time to do an unboxing of my Sephora holiday savings event. Yeah, I think I got that right. My haul. Now, I only ordered online. Usually I go into the store and I will shop there. Sorry about the noise. But for me, that very often leads to impulse purchases. And this year, I really wanted to be very targeted in the items that I purchased. I really wanted things that I really wanted. Now, we did talk about some of them on my other Sephora video just the other day when I was telling you things that you might want to consider buying. I did purchase a few of those for myself, so let's see what I got. Now, to some of my regular friends who kind of know when I upload, Wednesdays and Fridays, 12:15 Eastern Standard Time, I'm now changing my upload time, still Wednesdays and Fridays, but 10 a.m. I just, mixing it up around here. All right, let's see what I got. Oh, I did pick up from Makeup by Mario. This is his new lip kit. I picked it in the shade Pink Nude. Of course I did. Although you can't tell by looking at me today, I was feeling a little racier today. However, Pink Nudes, those are always my go-to. I knew this was going to be minis. I'm super excited to try it. I will, you know what, I am going to do a video try-on of some of these next week sometime so you guys can really see what I bought. But right now, we're just doing a haul. And before it gets away from me, hello new friends. If you are new to my channel, my name is Jennifer. I am into all things hair, skin, and makeup. If you are too, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button because, well, you're going to come back for more. All right, what else did I get? Oh, I picked up from The Ordinary. This is their lactic acid 10%. I was needing a new acid. I'm starting to get low on one that I have. And one of my faithful viewers, hello Shannon, recommended this to me, so I'm looking forward to giving it a shot. This here, I felt like this was the best buy for like a value pack for Christmas time, especially for a gift. From Clean Reserve, you know, those wonderful perfumes. I picked up the Clean Classic. This is the Rollerball layering set. There are 5 perfumes in here. They're each 0.17 ounces. If you saw my other video, you will know that those are really a generous size, and they were $20 for this year, plus my discount, so it made it $16. These are actually going to be gifts. I don't think that the people that are getting these for gifts watch my videos, so it's okay. But I have purchased these sets for myself in the past. I purchased the sprays and I love them so much. So I hope that they like them as gifts because it gives you like a nice array of scents to try or to layer to, make your own scent for yourself. As she stumbles over her words to try and get it out. Make your own signature scent using more than one at a time. Whew, okay, she did it. She got it out. Next up, this is the Westman Atelier Squeaky. Why can't I say this right? Westman Atelier Squeaky and Cheeky Duo. I picked this up because I really wanted to try the cheek color. I have just been tiptoeing into Westman Atelier because it's so dang expensive, and I really wanted to see what this is like. Everyone else has been using it for the longest time. Yeah, it's pretty. I think I'm gonna like it. I picked up the shade, this is Chouchette. There is another shade that these come in. And since this is being uploaded on Friday, which I think Friday's date is the 4th, the sale goes through the 7th. So there are a few more days if you do want to keep shopping. I may end up going to the mall just to look. This was also the gloss that I really, it's actually more of a balm, but it's a tinted lip balm, which is my thing all the time. So that's perfect for me. I'm super excited to have this little set and try more from Westman Atelier at a slightly more affordable price. I love when I put things in plastic because it tells me they think it's going to leak. Now, when I was doing my empties video the other day, I showed you that I had from Pureology the purple toning shampoo and conditioner. I am now moving on to Kerastase. I had tried some sample sizes of this from Sephora earlier in the year, and I was blown away. However, they're still pricey. Now, I don't use purple toning shampoos and conditioners as often as most people do. I'm probably only going to use this like once every 2 weeks, so it's going to last me a long time. Plus, I got my discount, and I do spend good money on having my hair done. So, keeping it up on my own, it's kind of like worth it to me financially to just keep my blonde as true as can be. So I'm super psyched about these. And if any of you have used either this one, I also want to get, there's one for like Shine. I think it's in like a pink bottle. I'm thinking of trying that at some point. If you guys have used either this one or that one and you have anything good or bad to say, let me know in the comments below. I think you guys are going to be pleasantly surprised that I only have 2 more items. I'm really proud of myself. This I had talked about from Hourglass. This is their one of their 3 palettes this year. This is the Ambient Lighting Unlocked Elephant. So this was, the elephant shade was the one that seemed right for me. You know I love the ambient powders. I've never purchased one of these like 6-pan powder ones. Oh my God, that's so pretty. I have purchased the 3-pan ones, and I have many of the individuals. So I thought to myself, yeah, those are my shades. This is a really nice tin. For some reason, I thought it was going to be plastic, but it's actually like a a metal tin. It feels sturdy. The mirror itself is actually a really good size. You know, sometimes when you're in a hotel and the mirror and the lighting situation is all the worst, so you like post up in front of the window knowing full well people can see what you're doing. Well, at least with this mirror, I don't know if they're being able to see my face. I cannot wait to get these all over my face. And this is a pricey palette. I've looked at like different versions of this every year, and I'm always like, no. And this year, the colors just spoke to me. And well, I got to save, let's do the math, $17. So it's kind of worth it for me. Not to mention, I have never had an Hourglass product that I didn't love, most especially their powders. All right, now this one here is going to be a little surprise to you guys. You didn't know I was thinking about it, because I didn't know I was thinking about it, because what's today? I'm filming this on Wednesday. I actually saw Makeup by Mario do an Instagram live for this product. When was that? Sunday, maybe? I hadn't placed my order yet, and the minute I saw him like demoing this, it's an eyeshadow palette. The minute I saw him demoing it, I quick went to Sephora to see if it was available, because he said it's going to be like a limited edition palette. And I thought, I'm not missing this. I am over the moon. Now, it is more expensive than some of his other palettes. This is nice. This feels like it's metal. I do have two others. I have 2 other eyeshadow palettes of his, which I love. And are you friggin' for real? So this is described, it's called the Ethereal Eyes, and he described it as like neutrals, not very cool, not very warm, just very, very neutral. And have you ever seen an eyeshadow palette that was more me? I'm going to say it suited me, but I have a feeling it's going to be suited to just about everybody. Those colors speak to me, not only for every day, but obviously transitioning into evening. Those are literally all of my colors. Of course, my eye is drawn to these shimmers, and I can't help it. I just want to stick my finger in this one right here. That's a lot smoother than I expected it to be. I actually expected it to be like a little more powdery. Let's see. You know what? Yep. That's kind of spectacular, and I want it all over my eyeballs. Holy crap, that's really pretty. Oh my God, is that going to give like a wet looking lid or what? He even said that you could use them as highlighters, which a girl might try. I thought that the Hourglass palette was going to be my most exciting purchase. It's this, hands down. Now, if this is still available, like this video is Friday, if it's still available on the Sephora site and you can save your whatever, 10, 15, 20%, I don't think you would ever be mad at yourself for having this. I'll just give you like a really quick show. You know that I use the Master Mattes constantly. Every time I use my makeup, I use this palette, and look at it. It looks like I have barely touched it. That's how pigmented, that's how amazing the quality of they cannot speak today. Jeez. That's how amazing the quality of these shadows are. So even though this one, I think was, I want to say $68. I got to save some money, but I'm going to have this for a very long time. The pan sizes are actually larger than the ones in the Master Mattes. I got the palette. I'm happy. Merry Christmas to me really early. That is it. That is my complete Sephora haul. Like I said, I was very targeted. Let me just make sure. Yep. I was super targeted in everything that I wanted. You know what I didn't get? Oh, I'm about to be a little annoyed. You know how you get to pick your free samples? I had picked 2 perfumes. I always pick perfumes because it's the easiest way for me to try them on myself and see how I like them. And they're not in here, and I'm kind of really annoyed about that. whatever. I got my Mario palette. Anyway, like I said, for me, this is a very edited haul. I really wanted specific items for specific reasons, and I'm super proud of myself for staying within those boundaries. Now, if I can just stay away from the store for the next 5 days. All right, you guys, now I want to know about your hauls. Put it down in the comments below what you either ordered and are waiting on or what you've already received. And if you want to take a picture of your entire haul, send it to me in a DM on Instagram, because I would be happy to put your haul up here so all of our friends can see what you got. You don't have to put your face in the picture if you don't want to, but let us see what you got. I mean, isn't that what these haul videos are all about? Just being nosy about what other people bought. All right, you guys, I of course will have all these items linked in the description box below. And Daddy wants to go outside, so it's time to wrap up. You guys, I want to thank you so much for being with me, and I'll see you real soon. Mwah.